Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining me today. For this lesson, we're drawing Mr. L from Super Paper Mario. So let's start along the top left side of the page with the nose. So we start with a C shape. So starting from the top on the inside, we're going to go all the way around towards the outside and then bend that back in. It's almost like drawing a circle with an open end on the right side. Now I want to tuck the mustache in underneath. So from the tip of the nose, step down to create a fold, going out and then up. Now I want to bend this down and then back up towards the bottom of the nose. Now we're going to draw on the left side, curling this down and then up underneath. Now when you go back to that center point, we're going to draw the mouth coming down at an angle. So we're going to come down, round at the mouth and bend that back up. And then along the bottom, we'll draw the edge of the tongue. So from here, bend this out and then down. Let's fill the top half of the mouth in black. Now from the edge of the mouth, we're going to step over underneath the mustache, curve the head coming down and then in towards the neck. Round out the neck, coming down and then up towards the right. Now I want to bend the neck going up and then out towards the ears. So from here, I'm going to bend this up, go out, and then we're going to draw an oval for the ear, going all the way around the outside and then bend that down. Let's add those folds inside the ear. Start with a curve from the top, coming in, go halfway, bend this out and then down. Now from the top of the ear, we're going to draw the edge of the hat brim. So we're going to start by curving this up, go way above the nose, go out and then bend that down. Now I want to draw the front edge of the hat brim. So we're going to follow that curve back in, coming down and just curl that up underneath. Let's go back to the top of the nose. We're going to close off the head with a curve going up underneath the hat brim and we'll place the eyes inside. So let's start from the side of the head, angle this down and in. Let's leave a gap. Go over towards the right, angle this up underneath the hat brim. Now on the left side, curve the eye in behind the nose. Go to the inside of the right eye, curve the eye coming down, and then bend that back up. Now I'm going to go back to the nose and curve the mask, coming down underneath the eye, and then pull that up underneath. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker. We're going to fill the inside of the mask. And we want to go around the eyes. Now I'm going to finish off the face area with the hair along the side. Start from the mask, curves down, and then out, in behind the ear. Let's go up to the top and finish off the hat. We're going to line up with the side of the head, going up above the hat brim. We're going to bend this out and up. Let's round up the hat, come all the way across. I'm going to add a fold, coming down, just aiming towards the ear. Let's step back up to create a fold across the back of the hat, going out and then in. Now we're going to go up to the left side of the hat brim and let's draw a circle on the left side, going all the way around. Just going to tuck this in behind the hat brim. And then inside that circle, we're going to draw an L. From the top, coming down, go across. Let's flatten off the ends, and I'll trace the inside. Now I want to fill the inside of that circle in black. Let's go underneath the ear and draw in the back of the hair. We'll start here, then it's out and in. Add another curl coming in towards the side of the neck. Now let's go back to the bottom left side. We're going to draw in the scarf. Coming down toward the center point. Go up and out, and then curl that up towards the bottom right corner of the neck. Now from here, we're going to layer the right arm on top of the body. Let's start from the scarf, then it's out, and then down. Let's go back up to the top, step in, round up the arm, and then taper it so it gets wider as it comes down towards the wrist, and then close off the wrist with a curve. Let's round out the cuff with 2 brackets on either side. Let's go back over to the left side. We'll draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Then underneath the thumb, we're going to draw the hand. Go all the way around and just tuck that up underneath the cuff on the right. Just add 2 small ovals on the back of the hand, and we'll fill those in black. Now with that arm in place, we can draw in the body. Let's start underneath the scarf on the left side, going out, around at the belly. Just pull that up underneath the hand. Now in between the arm and the body, we're just going to add a curve from the top, coming down and then out. Let's go to the bottom. We're going to add a curve for the belt, coming down and up. Step down and draw that again. Then over on the left side of the belt, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down the buckle. Let's move up and add in the buttons. On the left side, we're going to draw an oval. Move over towards the right, we're going to draw a full circle. Now that we have the arm and body in place, let's draw the back of the scarf. Let's start up here, go up, out, and then up towards a point. Then this down, and then in. Now I'm going to layer the left arm in behind the body, pointing out towards the top left. So we're going to start from the scarf, draw a straight angle line going out towards the wrist, round up the wrist. Now I'm going to taper the arm so it gets narrower as you come back in towards the body. Let's add those brackets around the cuff. Now from the top of the cuff, we're going to add the thumb. We're going to curl this around and then down, round up the thumb and bend that back up. And then we're going to add 1 small curve coming in for the palm. Let's go to the top of the thumb. We're going to extend the finger, going out and then up, round up the finger, and then bend that back in. Now let's wrap the hand, going around the thumb, and then up underneath the palm. Let's go underneath the hand and curve the rest of the palm in underneath the cuff. Now with the body in place, we're going to tuck the feet in underneath. So we're going to leave a gap in the center, go to the right side. We're going to add a curve going out, step back, draw the heel coming down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's add the heel piece, coming down and up. And we draw a longer curve going out towards the end of the foot. Let's curve the foot, going up, go around, and then down. And we're just going to close off the outside of the cuff coming in underneath the hand. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. So we're going to take these 2 curves and just trace that across. We're going to take that same foot and flip it over on the left side. So we're going to leave a gap. Again, start with the cuff going out, step back, draw the heel coming down towards the same height. And we add 2 curves, 1 for the heel and 1 longer one for the end of the foot. Let's draw the top of the foot going up, then bend that down. And we're going to draw the outside of the cuff from the body, going out and then down. Let's finish off by adding a thick sole. Again, just tracing these 2 curves along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Mr. L from Super Paper Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.